Hey, what's up, AMP coin holder? What's going on this time, my friend? I think the AMP condition is something gone very critical now. So don't worry, my friend. If my friend AMP is completely fails down, then also you will never need to, my friend, starting selling, because this time absolutely they will fails down. But after a very short time, my friends, they will completely go to the moon. So AMP coin holders, don't starting selling. Remember to, before you starting selling, research personally before you take any decision. But my opinion, my advice, I just only journey to share. Now this is not a financial video, I just only advise you, and kindly research personally before you take any decision. So kindly. All right, so this time 15,000 people subscribed. Kindly thank you so much for subscribing. You will also subscribe our YouTube channel, therefore I'm really thankful to you. Subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. All right, so AMP price will increasing, you can see here, my friend, but after a firm they will dumps down. You can see after this short pump they will again dumps down. So therefore holders try to understand, to when a coin will starting moving upward, then all credit goes to holders, because when a short-term investor stop selling and they are starting holding, then 100%, my friends, the coin is going to be viral and they will give you a profit. But when, my friends, the holder are starting buying, then absolutely the coin upward. But when a holder are starting selling, then the coin is completely go to the garbage. So therefore I think the AMP condition is also like that, because when a short-term investor are stop selling, stop holding, and they were starting selling, then of course, my friends, the condition is gone very bad now, and they completely fails down. But this time you can see, my friend, from last 4 hour, from last 12 hour, the condition is very good. So I think the AMP price will starting increasing. So therefore I hope to, after a fails, every coin will pumps up. I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time the AMP price will increasing and give you a double to triple profit. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope, my friends, the AMP price will be increasing in upcoming days. See you next time, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.